and welcome. So, you like to use binary option robots? I do too. The nice thing when you have a binary option robot trading for you is that you don't need to think that much for yourself. Us humans, we do many mistakes, we get emotional, we do errors, and a robot don't have these flaws. But in this video, I'll teach you how to use my binary option robot, how you can make the most from it, and what you do if it do a loss. Okay, so let's get to it. Before we get to that, of course, check out my other videos. I'm all about binary option robots, how to make money with them, and also make sure when you choose to use my robot, use my link. You get 50% automatically by using my link. If you have account with pocket option from before, make sure you close it down, withdraw your money, of course. If you have money there, let's say you have $200, withdraw it, go very fast with pocket option. Even if it take a couple of days, it's no problem. Wait this couple of days because actually you get 50% extra on it. So it's make it easier for you to make money later on. So take the correct step, close your old account, make a new with my link, and get your 50% in top of it for whatever you withdraw. How nice is that? So let's get to it. I will now show you how to use the robot and all this cool stuff. So let's go here. Now let's see. Okay, we have 85 new signals. So you can see, for example, this one here had a win. But let's go down to the newest. So here, good, very good, very good. Here we got an example. Here you see it was a trade. It's a 50-minute trade. I figure out that I want to let people have a good time to take the trades. Of course, if you take too much time, maybe you don't get the same exact entry like me. But overall, you will get the same results like me, okay? Because sometimes the movement can be very fast when the trade is taken. So maybe I get a little better entry because let's say I think it takes like up to 5 seconds for the robot to send the signal. Sometimes take 1, but can take up to 5. Sometimes it's lagging a little, okay? So you're already 5 seconds late, and then you see it, and you maybe use a few seconds. So that means there can be some movement from the time. That's why I chose it 50 minutes. So overall, we get more or less the same signals. But yes, sometimes you can get a win when I get a loss. So maybe you won this one and I lost it. That is possible, especially in the times when the movements are not that big, and maybe you get a better entry by entry later. But like I say here, if you got a loss, make sure you can use martingale. Yes, I know martingale is something I don't like so much to use myself, but if you have the mentality for it, do it. And what you should do, max 3 times. I have calculated, I have taken my time to do that. You make more money by using martingale 3 times than just follow the signals. But if you start to do 4 times, 5 times, start with too scary, don't do it. Max 3 times or 2 times, up to you. Because the thing is, the signals are so good from before, you're getting so good entry, that I have figured out that when you use martingale, you have a very high probability of winning the trade, okay? So you can see here, for example, this was a loss. If you go a little up, here you have a win. Let's see next, here you have a win. Here you have a win. And even, let's say you lost, let's say win for me, and you lost it. Do the same thing. Make sure you use martingale, but max 3 times. So here, for example, we had a loss, for example. So here you could do it also. So that's how you do it. So now for the second part. As you can see here, you can sign up. You can get 50% extra if you deposit more than $100. So make sure you do that, because it makes sense. Take advantage of this 50%. How it works with pocket option, at least in the past, I have never used it myself because I have never had a link I could use from other people, and I'm not allowed to it because I'm affiliate, so I'm not allowed to use these type of things. So, but I think the way it works is that you can't withdraw your 50%, but when you have traded a lot and you come over a threshold of volume on trading, then they even free up the 50%, so you can even withdraw your 50%. How cool is that? So take advantage, Plus, it's also good to have this extra space in your economic, especially if you're going to use martingale. But like I said, 3 times max, okay? So with that, I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy the robot. I hope you make a lot of money using these signals. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.